Hey everybody, this is Felipe Archila with PMG, here to talk to you a little bit about some exciting new technology we're integrating with today called machine learning. For those who don't know, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that uses statistical methods to quote-unquote train a computer or some code to reach a certain outcome given certain inputs without you having to code it explicitly to do so. Now, one of the biggest areas of machine learning as a service today is actually Azure Machine Learning Studio. So what we've done here is we've created a forum to demonstrate a little bit about what we could do with Azure and with machine learning as a service within our own service forms. What I have here is an employee onboarding form that takes in a number of inputs, things like whether you're a full-time employee or contractor. Start filling this out. And at the very end, instead of an SLA like we normally would do to show you sort of a range of when to expect completion, we actually have a data workflow that's running behind the scenes and calling the Azure Machine Learning Studio web service. So Nick McCloskey is my hiring manager. And after this call, it will return an estimated range. And so as I complete this, say I need a laptop, Office 365, everything is like that, our estimated completion is going to be in 8 to 9 days. Now again, this is not hard-coded, this is not an SLA, this is a data workflow that's running on the form upon completion of all of these inputs and says, hey, go give me an idea based on historical trends how long this is going to take. Now, if I wanted to change something about this, say if I'm actually going to be starting in Orlando, Florida, for example, and let's say instead of a consultant, I'm actually in operations, that actually changes the estimate in real time. So a lot of the estimates that are given, again, are based on historical data. And so this could also be used to help identify which potential factors weigh more on the completion estimate and use that to improve your processes and constantly improve your day-to-day operations. Now, behind the scenes, we have the Azure Machine Learning Studio connector, which actually runs in the background and is returning the data that we're expecting. Within Azure Machine Learning Studio, we pass it some JSON and it returns some JSON back. And every single one of the questions has been mapped to a particular experiment that I have. So this is running in the background, and I process it and return it to the Dynaform as a range to give people to set expectations, to say, all right, well, this is typically going to take 8 to 9 days. We can plan accordingly and use that to continually retrain and improve your estimates as you gather more and more data. But that's just a quick update on what's going on at the PMG Skunkworks. If you'd like more information about Azure Machine Learning or any other technical questions or ideas that you may have, feel free to reach out to us here at PMG. And hope to talk to you again soon. Thank you.